Hind, my dear friend. This is Flight Cadet Neha of Number 1 Bihar Air Squadron NCC. My regimental number is BR18 SWF 580254. In this video, I am going to talk about awareness regarding cancer. Firstly, I want to define what is cancer.
Cancer can be defined as a group of disease in which the cells of our body starts to grow abnormally and start to spread into the other parts of the body. In a healthy body, cells grow, die and replace in a very controlled way. Damage or change in a genetic material of a cell by an environmental or internal factor sometimes result in that cells do not die and continue to multiply until a massive cancer cell or a tumor develop. There are many different types of cancer and some of them are breast cancer, a cancer that forms in the cells of the breast, prostate cancer, a cancer in a man's prostate, a small walnut-sized gland that produces seminal fluid. Basal cell cancer, a type of a skin cancer that begins in the basal cell. A skin cancer, the most serious type of cancer. Lung, a cancer that begins in the lungs and most often occur in the people who smoke.
Patients are fighting with the two problems. First from the cancer and the second one is from the society, because society thinks that it is a communicable disease, but it is not a communicable disease. My message to all the patients, please do not scared from this disease, because it is cancer is not a end of life. It is a curable, preventable and not a contact disease.
This can be easily cured both in early and as well as in advanced stages. Most cancers are preventable. We need to follow healthy lifestyle, avoid alcohol and tobacco. These days, treatment management of cancer be surgical, be chemotherapy, radiation, hormone therapy, targeted therapy for the treatment purpose have improved. There is so much improvement and so much research has got into it that nowadays cancer is treated with lesser and lesser side effect. What is the important for the patient? Not to lose hope, keep their mind focused and try to build up their confidence. And lots of schemes have been made by the central and state government for the free treatment of the cancer patient. The main theme of this video is that I am and I will. The meaning of each you will understand, because cancer is one of the greatest killer in this world. And about 1 crore 40 lakh people have diagnosed with the cancer in 2019, and about 70 lakhs cancer patients have died in 2019. So it is a great travesty for a humankind. But many things which can be done at an individual level by each and every one of us. We can spread awareness about cancer. This can can ask the people whom we can influence to take part in a screening, a program for all the major cancer. Thank you.